Hello my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Okay, I'm continuing my Thanksgiving preparation week here. And I'm going to show you a recipe here that's very important. Every recipe that I've showed you is very important. There's step-by-step ways to create the most awesome Thanksgiving feast you ever have. It's all about flavors. Like I've always told y'all, it's all about building flavors. That's the key. If you look at all my food, I just don't put stuff on it just to be putting spices. It's all about flavors, and there's a technique to everything I do. So this is a herb butter that I use on my Thanksgiving turkey. Been using for years. And this will make I guarantee if you put this on the turkey, in a later video I'll show you the proper way of doing it, but if you put this on there and baste your turkey in with this herb butter, you'll have the most flavorful, juicy turkey you and your family and friends have ever tasted. You'll never cook a turkey anywhere else again. So anyway, very simple recipe. It's a few ingredients here. A glass bowl here. Got about a little bit over 8 ounces of butter. And the recipe is in the description of the video, y'all. As always, as all my videos are. Okay, another thing I do is fresh herbs, but first I'm going to put some seasoning in here. Put a little Cavernous meat seasoning. Y'all know I love my Cavernous. You can use whatever seasoning you want. And my Uncle Steve's shake. That's going to have already the seasoning in it when you do your turkey. And I'll use a little salt and white pepper on my turkey too also. So I've got my seasoning in here. Now, next thing I'm going to do is put my fresh herb. I got rosemary. I got some thyme here. And some parsley. That's it. All I'm going to do now is take the mixer here. Mix it up with the mixer. That's it, y'all. See how easy that was? That's so easy, huh? So easy, huh? Nothing to it. Get rid of this mixer. Make sure I get all my butter off of here. Valuable. Okay. Now, what I do, I usually keep I keep herb butter all year long. You know why? Because this is also good on chicken. When you do herb roasted chicken, it's also good on that too. So now, what I do, I just put it in a little container and put it in the refrigerator. That's it. And that's enough for about a 10 to 15 pound turkey there, y'all. 10 to 15 pound turkey. Let me taste this butter. It's good. Very flavorful. And I use salted butter, y'all. So it's this herb butter is very, very flavorful. Just like that. So that's a quick video. Didn't take long. You see how easy that is? You can make as little as much as you want. My recipe called for 8 ounces. Sometimes I use a pound of butter, depending on how much food I'm cooking. But this is enough for the turkey that I got coming up in a future video. So anyway, like I said, I told you this video wasn't gonna take long at all, but it's very important that I showed y'all herb butter. I didn't want to put a video up of me basting my turkey with herb butter and everybody asking me how I make the herb butter, how I make the herb butter. Now you know, it's just right there, herb butter. So anyway, give this recipe, give this video thumbs up. Please share, please comment. Please visit my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitch TV, Pinterest, forgot one, Twitter, oh there we go, Twitter, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food Day.